Hello everyone, welcome back to the series, French for Beginners. Today is lesson 23, 30 basic adjectives in French. Let's get started. Adjectives are subdivided into masculine and feminine. For example, big or tall is grand, grande. Small or short is petit, petite. Pretty is joli, joli. Good is bon, bonne. Bad is mauvais, mauvaise. New is nouveau, nouvelle. Old is vieux, vieille. Expensive is cher, cher. Rich is riche, riche. Poor is pauvre, pauvre. Easy is facile, facile. Difficult is difficile, difficile. Simple is simple, simple. Complicated is compliqué, compliqué. Delicious is délicieux, delicious. Happy is heureux, heureuse. Sad is triste, triste. Intelligent is intelligent, intelligent. Stupid is stupide, stupid. Fun is amusant, amusante. Strong is fort, fort. Weak is faible, faible. Sick is malade, malade. Noisy is bruyant, bruyant. Calm or quiet is calme, calme. Fast is rapide, rapide. Slow is long, lent. Handsome or pretty is beau, belle. Tired is fatigué, fatigué. Young is jeune, jeune. Remember the adjective rules we stated in the last lesson? Is agree with genders, singular or plural, and is usually located after the noun. But there is an exception. The bags adjective are not located after the noun. So let's take a look at the exception, bags adjective. It stands for beauty, age, good, or size. Beauty, beau, joli. Age, vieux, jeune, and so on. These adjectives are in front of the noun. Let's take a look at some examples. For example, vous êtes un étudiant intelligent. You are an intelligent student. Il y a un bon restaurant. There is a good restaurant. Tu cherches un endroit calme. I'm looking for a quiet place. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.